So everyone, as I have shared that before leaving this room, you will feel confident to start your own business with zero investment. Are you excited for that?
Yes, ma'am.
For that, I have written some words here: skills, knowledge, experience, and resources. So you need to think briefly about these things, that how can, with the help of these words or these things, how can you start your own business? Are you getting, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So for that, we are not going to think alone. We are going to do this activity with the help of our pairs. So first, let's get divided in the groups. So let's divide this class into 4 groups. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from Priya to Lakshmi will be in one group. From Rohit to Aman will be in one group. And this side from Anjali to Neha in another group. And Sahil to Ritik in another group. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you going to do? Yes?
Ma'am, we are going to discuss in our group on skills, experience, knowledge and resources.
Okay. And why are we thinking about these things? What is the purpose?
Because ma'am, we have to understand that without investment we can still have business.
Exactly. And you are going to think briefly. Okay?
Yes,
and for this you have how much time?
10 minutes.
You have 10 minutes for that. How much time do you have?
10 minutes.
Please answer in full sentence.
Ma'am, we have 10 minutes.
Yes, you people have 10 minutes. So everyone, for this, let's say I have good teaching skills, and this is my skill.
Okay.
Now
write it.
And this is my skill. Now I can teach some students and I can get money. And when I will get money, I can start one coaching center and I will get more money. Are you getting, everyone? So
Yes.
in the same manner, you can also think of some skills, knowledge that you people have, and by that you can start your own business. So can somebody give some examples?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, as you have shared that you have a skill of teaching, I also have, and I am in the knowledge column. I can mention that mathematics and English, and the experience, I have experience of 1 year. Resources, that I can open a coaching center at my home also, and I can find some students. That's how I can open a business with zero investment.
Very nice, very nice. And she has mentioned all the point, and we need to think about all these things. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all discussed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Time's up. Now you are going to share. One by one, you all are going to share your list, that what have you prepared. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start from group 1.
Ma'am, I have in the skill column, I have mentioned that craft. In the knowledge column, I have mentioned that I can make different kind of crafts. Like I can create a photo frame and animals. And experience, I have 2 years experience in this. And resources column, I have written that we need some piece of paper, colors, glue and pen. That's it.
Very nice. Can you all please clap for her? Okay. Now it's time to listen next group. Yes,
So
please.
ma'am, in skills I have written cooking, and I have the knowledge of cooking. I have learned cooking from my mother. And experience, it is not professional experience, but I do know cooking. And resources, whatever resources are there, I have them at home. I can open a cloud kitchen on Zomato, and then I can start my small business at home only.
Yes, and this is very nice example. Can you all please clap for this group? Okay, now it's time to listen third group. Okay, everyone, let's move ahead. So, do you need money to start your business? Or how can you start your business with no money or with a little money?
Do you need money to start a business? Ma'am, I don't think we need money to start a business. It's depend on our skills. If we have skills, then we can start our business with zero investment. Like we can open our YouTube channel, online retailing, and drop shipping. There are so many things which we can do without investing.
Yes, there are several business ideas that we can start with zero investment, or we can say with little amount of money.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is a term that calls bootstrap startup. Have you ever heard about it?
No, ma'am. It's very new word for us.
So everyone, as we are discussing the zero investment business, or we can say a business which we can start with little amount of, that's called bootstrap startup.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, as she has mentioned that we can open our cloud kitchen, or we can open our YouTube channel, we can start our YouTube channel. So here we need zero investment somewhere, and we need some what do we call that, a little sources or tools. By that we can start our YouTube channel. For example, a phone or a camera or a mic. These are some silly investments that you can do, and after that you can start your business.
Yes, ma'am.
What else is there? Okay, so everyone, have you ever noticed that there are a lot of people in society, they have started their business from their home? Have you ever noticed?
Yes, ma'am.
They have started a shop, or they are now selling something by their crafting. So what are the best businesses to start from your home? Can somebody like to mention?
Yes, ma'am. As I have shared earlier, that drop shipping, online tutoring, and handmade craft, that we can start from home only.
Exactly. Is there somebody else who would like to share?
Yes, ma'am. As we have discussed in our previous classes also, that we can do the freelancing from home.
Yes. And do you remember, everyone, we have watched one video, and in that video we talked about, or we have learned so many business ideas that we can start from zero investment. Do you remember that lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
And once you will go your home, you can go through that points, whatever you have written in your notebooks.
Sure, ma'am.